Alright everybody, and welcome back to HB channel. In today's episode, I will talk about Armenian Gampr, the wolf crusher dog from Armenia. The Armenian Gampr is not a standard breed, conforming to a specific look, color, or type specified by prescribed physical standard. The Armenian Gampr is a landrace dog. They are part of aboriginal mountain dog of Caucasus. Those dogs have closely related with mountain dog of Georgia, Azerbaijan, Anatolia and North Caucasus. A landrace, by definition, is a localized line of dog, developed for a purpose, and choose for a function, regardless of appearance. Over the time and successive breeding, landrace tend to maintain a higher degree of genetic health and general ecosystem and predictable function. Those dogs are in Armenia for thousands of years. Armenian Gampr is characterized by a polymorphism, like almost all aboriginal mountain dog of Caucasus. Gampr have strong muscular bodies with large bone structure. The body is slightly longer than the head, with an index of 103 to 112%. The sexes are dimorphic. The male are taller, with a large cranium. The dog has larger head compared to the modern pet dogs. Traditionally, the ears are cropped in the Gampr. They are trimmed in the first week of the birth, which is preferable for working dog. In this time, it is mainly cartilage and almost no bleeding. This is the historical tradition. Necessary was to prevent easy holds and resulting pain when feeding livestock from predator. The dog can hear better, is more vigilant. If the ears is wounded, it's recover fast when it's cropped. The Gampr in Armenia is still used in this way. In some Gampr, the tail is cropped when the ears are trimmed. It depends by the shepherd preference. The Armenian Gampr is large and powerful dog. They can weigh 50 to 60 kilograms, and they can stand at least 70 to 80 centimeters at the withers. The coat may be any color. It may be short and long. It is related to the ecotype, like all Caucasian shepherd dogs. They have thick double coat. Characteristic of them is harsh hair, related to the archaic origin. Because the Gampr is a landrace mountain dog, they are not a standard breed. There is considerable difference in types, appearance, and in personalities. Those dogs were bred to protect the livestock from the predator and enemies. Sometimes Armenian people used to breed dog with wolf. And because of a natural breeding, the Armenian Gampr sometimes mix with wolf in the nature without human interaction. In the reproductive season, dog and wolf tend to be more socialized to each other. The guardian instinct disappears, and the dog outcrossed with the wolf. The Armenian Gampr is trustful and very powerful dog. They are considered as a wolf crusher, which they can defeat a wolf and protect the livestock. The Armenian Gampr is very loyal to its owner and would protect him with his life. When the Gampr notices something or someone suspicious, He immediately warns the other dog, and together they surround the flock and attack the intruder. The first thing that you should do when approaching those dogs is to greet their owner and chat with them, so the dog will understand that you are not the enemy. This kind of approaching method works for almost every livestock guardian dog, not only for Gampr. It is not unique. Actually, the Gampr is the local name used for mountain shepherd dog in Armenia. Those landrace dogs are not unique. You can find those dogs in Georgia, Azerbaijan, in Balkan region, in North Caucasus, in Anatolia. Those dogs show a close relationship with Central Asian shepherd dog. Often the Gampr is aloof, does not play game, and prefers to observe from a vantage point rather than to engage in typical play. This dog is a farm and family guardian, and its guardian drive cannot be eliminated. It is strong-willed and relatively independent. This dog is gentle with children. In any family of Gampers, there will be some with high human guard drive, and some that guard only against four-legged predators. There will be some that are orientated toward close human companionship, and some that are more aloof. Because of its strong independent nature, it thinks twice upon receiving the commands. Those dogs are not recommended for the first-time dog owner or people who do not understand natural dog behavior. Armenian Gampr is a working dog, not a pet. This dog is bred to be a guardian. If not a guardian of livestock, he will be a guardian of the property. Armenian Gampr need a lot of space surrounding the home where it can be safely run, free in an open area. Armenian Gampr has a desire to explore and patrol. Greatest activity is generally between 4 a.m. to 8 a.m. The Armenian Gampr is free from genetic disease. The dog who breed and raise in livestock are very healthy, with a natural immunity. But for the dog who breed in artificial nursery, they are predisposed for the hip dysplasia and joint problems. Armenian Gampr live 10 to 15 years old. Sometimes they can go 20. Armenian Gampr mature more slowly than an average dog. They continue to grow taller until 3 years of age. A female Gampr can produce 6 to 8 puppies. This was all for today. Hope you like and enjoy my video. If you are new to this channel, I will be pleased if you subscribe, like and share. If you had any questions,
enjoy my video.
Comment down
This
below
was all
and
for
let's
the day.
discuss together.
Don't forget to subscribe,
And see you in the
like
next
and share.
content.
And
Bye-bye
see you in the
and
next
have a great
content.
day.